the hot water fault. Okay, so tap on, pilot light lights, water starts to heat. Water's currently lukewarm, starting to get hot. Okay, so we've now actually got hot water. As the water starts to get hot, pilot light goes out, water temperature drops, the water at the tap is now cold, pilot light relights, and it continues to cycle like this without ever getting proper hot water. So hot water's starting to get hot. This is with the tap running on a sort of reasonable flow. Pilot light goes out, water temperature drops, and this just continues to cycle without ever getting hot water.